Planning a new dental facility or upgrading an existing space can be one of the most challenging experiences in your professional life, full of decisions you don't make every day. You have too much on the line to leave key decisions to chance. Will the workflow and patient experience in your new clinical space turn out the way you've imagined? What will it look like and feel like? Shouldn't you take the time to find out before you move forward? That's what the Midmark Experience is all about, helping you bring everything together for the best possible care experience for your patients and staff. Because at Midmark, we believe that who's using our equipment and technology is every bit as important as how and why it's being used. When you visit our state-of-the-art experience center, you'll understand how Midmark Dental Solutions can bring workflow, technology, and equipment together to help you meet your care delivery goals and overcome common challenges in a clinical space. Have a seat and feel what your new operatory experience will be like. Choose the finishes that are right for your brand, from luxurious upholstery to beautiful cabinetry and countertops. Then spend time with our design experts to put the finishing touches on your new plans. Here, your vision starts to come to life. Finally, see how your equipment is built during your tour of our manufacturing plants. We are proud of our over 100-year tradition of quality manufacturing in the USA, and you will see it reflected in everything we do. The Midmark Experience is like no other. From the moment you decide to visit, you can leave the details to us. From your travel to our campus to your overnight accommodations, you will be treated with the best in hospitality. If you're visiting overnight, you'll experience the sophisticated comfort of Hotel Versailles, a modern retreat providing an elevated experience in the center of downtown Versailles. We're ready to partner with you and your team to design clinical spaces that align with your practice plans and help give you the confidence to put those plans into action. Schedule your visit today and experience the Midmark difference. Because at Midmark, we believe better care doesn't happen by chance, it happens by design.